All right, man. So anyways, we're looking for a 95 Toyota Camry. Okay, this guy's in construction. I pulled actually this guy pulled a permit. I got the address, and we're gonna go to his construction site, see if we can find this Camry.
To his construction site?
Yeah.
And you brought me instead of Matt?
What's that?
You brought me instead of Matt?
Oh man, this is a quick repo. 95 Camry. I mean, come on. Boom, boom, and let's go.
Well, you know, in a repo like this, you don't just want to run up to the car and go, hey, I'm in the car, I'm here to repo it. So we have to be a little stealthy about it. The reason is because there are construction workers. They do have tools like picks and shovels and other things that might be able to hurt us with.
Now this particular work site was at night. And the reason why there was construction going on at night was because there's a business there during the day. So, and they were working in the parking lot. During the day, it's full of cars. Is that a construction site? Right there.
Yep.
And then what's that back there, Froy?
Looks like a Camry.
It's a Camry? Okay.
And a Corolla.
All right, we're gonna have to, do me a favor, Froy. Are you sure it's a Camry?
There's a Camry and a Corolla.
Okay, you know what? Is this the back entrance? Froy, do me a favor.
Okay.
Just get out.
Uh-huh.
Do you have a plate on it?
Yeah.
Get out, bro, and just walk over and tell me if that's it. Don't let those guys see you.
Don't get up, just stay there.
And we pulled up, let Froy get off, kind of peek around the corner first, because as construction guys, we didn't really want them to see us until they absolutely had to. And
That's the one?
Yeah.
Damn, I'm bad.
But there's like 3 or 4 people there.
Let's hook up to it quick. On this address, let's go.
ready for this one.
Jump in. Hey, why don't you guys, you know what, just get out. You guys get out.
Right.
Hurry up. Everybody just get out fast and get out of the way because I'm going to back up.
All right, camera guys, stay out of the way, stay out of the way, stay out of the way. I'm looking for William. If that's one of you guys, I'll be happy to let you know.
Go out of the way.
Move, camera guy. Are you William?
No, stop!
Whoa, dude, get out of the way, man. Let me explain to you. We're here to repossess this car. Hey, let him out. Don't worry about him, dude. Look, don't put your hands on me, man. Let me explain something to you. Don't put your hands on me. Do you hear me?
Whatever.
Whatever. We're here to repo this car. You're behind up.
Repo my car.
It's a repossession. Who the hell are you, man?
I'm Will, dude.
Okay, well, you're getting repo,
You
okay?
Send me the
Roy,
paperwork.
try to pick it.
Dude, what the
Get away.
out of my car, dog?
Get away from the car. I'm not going to tell you again.
What the
It's already my property.
All
Come
right,
up to my
give me
truck.
some proof, dude.
Okay, I'm trying to, come on, I'm trying to show you, okay?
Go with
That's my guys, man. We had it from the back, front wheel drive car. We had to put it in neutral. So I wanted Froy to pick it. That's what I wanted him to do. See if he can pick it, you know, to start it. So this guy's yelling at my daughter. He's yelling at me, man. And he's saying some brother. He's saying some stuff that just burned me.
You good?
I'm trying to.
Okay, look, here's the deal. You're behind on the payments. You know this.
This
Oh,
is
really?
not,
Then
dude,
why
I
do I have yours?
Call the cops.
Call him. The car's already hooked and I'm taking it. I'm taking the car
I don't
already.
give a you don't care.
You pick it.
Are you
It's
getting
on-
it?
Touch
it's
my
almost
gun, you
fixed,
have a
almost
freaking
full
problem.
Get in there. Don't.
Guys.
For a minute there, my dad lost control. I saw that, and it kind of freaked me out. Like, I kind of stepped back because I'm not used to seeing my dad being out of control or being, you know, the irrational one. And to see him like that, kind of like, it scares me.
You know what? Try to take my
You're taking it.
do it, right?
Lyndah, come here. Come here.
Are you okay?
Get the paperwork and fine. Just
Are you
stand
okay?
over there. You got it?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just go over there and watch these guys.
Dad, watch
Froy,
out!
Froy, get out! Get out of the car, Froy! Hey, what are you guys doing, man? Don't be
Froy!
stupid. Hey, you're gonna
Get
go to jail!
out!
Lyndah, back up! He's out! Froy, hey! You idiot! You're gonna go to jail, man! Come on, don't be stupid, man! Yeah! Wait, back up, Froy, back up! Back up! Back up! Hey, what is your problem? What is your problem, you idiot? You're gonna send it, call the cops, call the cops! Call the cops! Back up! Back up!
Oh, what are you
Both of you guys! Idiots! You got call the cops, hurry up! Get away from me!
Are you alright?
I'm fine, just call the cops!
Dad, are you okay?
Call the cops!
I'm calling them. Are you okay?
I'm fine, man. Where's Froy at?
Froy!
Yes!
Froy!
It's mine! Guys, get the
Come here.
get out!
Can you imagine that bucket coming through that sunroof and killing Froy? Because that's what would have happened. He'd be dead. What am I going to tell my nephew, little Froy? What am I going to tell him? Because some idiot decided to use his excavator to stop us from taking a car, you know, and he ends up killing my nephew's dad.
Oh, working. Get job done.
We're doing a repossession. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Just call him up. Hurry up.
Well, of course I was worried for Louis' health. I mean, no matter what, he's still family. You know, and the fact that, you know, he's a big guy, it doesn't help him. And that's something that's always been in everybody's mind.
Hey, back
Good
up.
luck,
Back
dude.
up,
What?
man.
What's wrong, big man?
Hey,
You okay?
hey, dude.
Hey, you all right?
That's one thing. Don't my dad.
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
What are you gonna do?
what am I doing? Don't my dad. Don't
Just
my dad.
Away from him. Come here. Let me away from him.
Camera guys out of here. Don't you get out of here.
Hey, you.
Hey, leave my camera guys alone!
So I was just so freaking pissed off, man. I was just so upset that this guy went to this extreme and could have hurt, you know, one of my family members. That it took a toll on me that day, man. It took a freaking toll on me. I remember having this headache, man, and this pain in my chest because I was worked up so bad.
This is a very stressful job for him. He is overweight, and it can lead to something else.
My dad just, what can I say? I just think he just had a nervous breakdown. Dad, what's going on? He's breathing heavily, complaining of chest pain. Can you just check him, please? Because he's being really...
We can bring the granny right now, and we're gonna put you on.
If everything's okay, then your uncle is going to go to jail for felony vandalism.
What?
Okay?
But what? Felony?
My daughter got worked up. Everybody was worked up. My daughter was worried. You know, I was fine, but she was worried that I wasn't fine. She thought that maybe I was, you know, having some kind of, you know, problem, you know, heart problem or something. That wasn't the case. Yeah. I just let myself freaking get wound up over this freaking idiot. I may have been fine, but the truth is that I was stressed. I let stress affect me. More importantly, I let it affect what means more to me than anything, and that's my family. And so I have to deal with that one day at a time.
We are looking for a 2007. Did you notice that my voice is coming back?
Yeah, you look like you're getting better. It's good.
Yeah, so-
What have you been doing? Did you
I've
get
been
that penicillin shot?
No.
You should have.
They say that makes you sicker.
Really? All right.
And you know I'm gonna skip on it.
All right.
We're looking for a 2007 Landcruiser LR3. What's an LR3?
It's a little small version. It's like a miniature one. It's pretty cool. I mean, we wouldn't fit in it, but it's, it's pretty
Then
cool.
I guess I won't be driving it.
I bet you it's like this like in the Midwest all the time, man, or like Colorado. I'm sure it's always like snowing and raining and, you know, and look, there's our car. And the door's open. Okay, that's pretty funny. The door's open and it's raining.
Well, we're in a nice neighborhood, obviously, and it's on a cul-de-sac. You know, in cul-de-sacs, there's two reasons why sometimes I don't like cul-de-sacs, even though people love cul-de-sacs. I don't love them for two reasons. One, because if I have a problem on a repo, it's hard for me to get out of there because there's cars that will park triangular, straight, crooked, whatever, in that cul-de-sac, aside from their driveway, which they got plenty of room in, but obviously they don't. Second reason why I don't like it is because it's like all the houses are right there, so you start yelling and creating a commotion, everybody wants to get involved or they start calling the cops. All right, bro.
Or maybe somebody's coming out.
You need to back up on it. No, it's our plate, come on.
It's our plate? Okay, move out of the way. Okay, we got I don't know what's going on.
Hello? I'm looking for a Jeep and a Johnny.
Yeah, I paid for my stuff.
Oh, I'm not here for
My
that.
credit card went through and everything.
Yeah, well, I'm not here for that. I'm actually here for the vehicle. Are you Johnny?
That's me.
Okay, well, it's behind on payments, that's why I'm here.
Rich. Well, this is all on her. Okay? Our finances are completely
No.
I mean, if you can see, I don't think you guys are having problems.
They got like $1 billion, and they said that I could.
Yeah. Our financing is separate up.
Okay, well, just let me get my stuff out. I just want to get my stuff
Oh,
out.
no problem. Here, I'm gonna help you. Obviously, she must have money, because let me tell you, either she's a shopaholic or she just like buying labels. I don't care, because she had too many bags in there. So obviously, this woman's got money. Now the question is, she got money for that, but why she ain't got money for that payment? Because this is the reason why I'm on the property. Your wife sure doesn't like shopping. Here you go. Here you go. And the husband didn't care. He was like, he was like one of those guys that said, you know what? I got like the last dime in the bucket. You can have it, okay? You can have it and go with a freaking smile. So I was like, man, this guy's too chalant.
How many times have I told you to pay your damn bills? Like it.
Okay. I was part of the bailout.
I gave you the key?
No, I need the key for the car.
You need the key?
Yeah, I do.
Take mine.
Okay, listen, ma'am. I usually always get the key before I give anything out. I'm being calm and collective, and I gave you all your
All
stuff.
that stuff is new. I'm scared about the car.
Well, you should care about the car, because now you ain't gonna have a car. Here, bro.
You want to drive it?
I want my new stuff.
Yeah, you get it. You want to drive the car? Drive the car. Let's go. Let's get out of here before they change their mind.
My stuff?
This is the happiest day of my life, bro.
Obviously, you can tell, this person, they live in a very nice neighborhood, had a real nice car, and it just goes to show that the economic situation is affecting everybody.
I mean, I've never in my lifetime, and let me tell you something. I'm not 15 or 20, okay? I'm 46 years old. I remember how easy it was to get a job with the skills that I have aside from repossessions. And I can't find a damn extra job. Can't find a job. They don't even want me at the supermarket. It's a nice car, but this is for like fancy people. And I'm not a fancy people. I'm actually, I don't know what kind of music is that, but I'm not interested.
The repossessor, stereotyped as the bad guy. That's a misconception. Let me tell you why. This is a billion-dollar industry. Billion-dollar. Okay, repossessions affect everybody. In fact, if there was no repossessions or no repossession company, the average American could not afford finance rates on an automobile. That's fact. That is fact. So we're a major contribution to the economy. We're actually, yeah, absolutely. You nod your head like you don't think so. Yeah, because without repossession companies, let me tell you, man, you cannot afford to finance a car. You have to buy it cash. And just people, some people have to understand that we're a very professional business. And hey, we're part of the food chain as well.
I hate doing repos that are so freaking far from the city, because you never know what the hell is going to happen, and I hate it.
I don't see nothing out here but donkeys and fields.
Matt says he feels right at home. The only thing that saved us this time is the fact that this car has a GPS system, and Lou had it turned on, and they told him, hey, it's right there, sitting right there. So it can't be this one, right?
No, I didn't see it here. Hold on.
So it's got to be this one right here?
Nope, it's going to be on the left.
This one here?
Yep, it's going to be on the left.
When we got there, there was no Beamer. And I called Lou to verify, and I'm like, bro, are you sure the computer's not broken or something? Because there's no Beamer here. He goes, dude, I'm telling you, it's there. It's showing that it's right there. You, like, right next to it. There's another road in the back. Maybe we can go check that road before we go talk to anybody.
It was obvious, too, these people were trying to hide the car. We have 2 garages.
You want to check in there real quick, see if you see tires down there?
Yeah, I'm just checking
You know what, honestly, for every repo that we do, I will say that at least 65% of the people actually hide the car. A lot of times they hide it around the corner, 3-4 blocks away. That's why we usually do area search. I'm telling you, it's not here. And Lou said that it shows on the GPS it's here.
Give him a buzz, man, see what he has to say.
I'm like, I don't see it. I don't see it anywhere. So the next thing is, to go knock on the door and find out what's going on. But, there was some guys working outside and... Oye, ¿no sabes dónde están los Johnsons? ¿No sabes dónde están? Mira, se supone que vengo por el carro, el BMW. Se supone que vengo a lavarlo. Gotta try to work on magic, see if they have any information on where the car is or where the people are. Do me a favor, Mike. Call Miss Johnson and tell her that the car's not here. That make sure that she can tell us where the car is and the keys.
Froy and I have been working together so long, we kind of pick up on each other, and I realized what he was doing immediately when he asked me to call the owners. This is just something you get when you work with somebody for so long, as Froy and I have worked together. Yeah, Wendy, is this Miss Johnson? Wendy Johnson? Yeah, hi. We're here to detail the car. We can't seem to locate it. Your workmen are here. Can they tell us where the car's at?
You know, I have to say that I did feel a little bit bad tricking these guys to give me the keys. Dice que usted sabe dónde está el carro y que las llaves están adentro, donde todo el tiempo están enfrente. ¿Alguien las puede agarrar, por favor? I'm sure they won't get in trouble, the guys. You know, they didn't know what they were doing. They were tricked into doing something. I do feel a little bit bad, like I said, but you know, I have to do my job. Gracias. Gracias, eh? He says that thing is in the garage, but I don't know how we're gonna get the garage open.
Anything you can think of, we thought of already. We've been through it all. There's no way in hell we're not gonna get your car.
Well, I got the keys.
So what, we don't have the car?
¿Qué pasó? ¿Dónde? And after the guy told me, oh yeah, you know, they this morning they went and parked the car all the way in the back. That means they're hiding the car. They're not willing to give the car back.
Watch it, sit down!
You know, to be honest, when they told me they was in the back, and I'm telling man, well, let's walk over there. I mean, I didn't see another entrance to the place, so we have to walk over there. I was doubting that there was a vehicle back there. I mean, it doesn't look like you can park something out there. So we noticed that there were some tire tracks on the ground, and we're like, okay, well, you know, it leads somewhere. Oh, yeah. And yeah, the car was all the way in the back. Yep. It's the plate. It's the plate. You know, I gave Matt the keys so he can drive. The guy doesn't really get to drive. The cars went with Repo. I'll be the first one to tell you, Matt has quite an extensive bad luck with vehicles that we Repo, so we don't want him to damage any vehicles.
Hey, I have never wrecked any of my own cars. I've never wrecked any of the other vehicles. What it exactly is I'm not good at backing up the vehicles when they're hooked up, and I admit it.
Where's it going? What?
Are you sure?
Yeah,
because we get stuck in here.
That's it. You just passed the entrance.
Oh my God.
So on my way out, I called Lou and I let him know that we got it. You know, he was right. It was there. And he asked me, are you towing it? I said, no, we got the keys and Matt's driving it. No, he didn't damage it. He made it all the way to the office. You know, I was amazed that we went an hour away from the office and he was able to bring it back without a scratch. Good job, Matt. Good job.